of 10 children. I like being in school. As I celebrate International Girls' Day, I am happy to be a girl and to be in school despite many challenges from our family, where several dropped out of school from lack of food, clothes, funds, and parental care. In our school, IAS Kenya Group Grades for Great Project has provided that meal during school days. I am happy